Hello class, we are going to do a Morse code SOS program. As you can see, we have the serial port here, and we are going to start with Arduino program block. We are going to program our own blocks. Make a block, dot, okay, and this is our dot block. What we are going to put here is a set digital pin 13 output as high, and wait for half a second. Set digital pin 13 as low and wait 0.5 seconds. Now we're going to create the dash block. We are going to duplicate these blocks and change from waiting 0.5 1.5. Now we have to define the letter S. The letter S in Morse code are 3 dots. So we are going to put 1 dot. That is going to set the digital pin output as high as, this is low and this is low also. In order to turn on and turn off. Another dot and another dot. And we are going to define the letter O. That is going to be 3 dashes. Dash, dash, and dash. Now, we need in Arduino program to set SOS. So, SOS. Here is our word in Morse code. In order to separate one word to the other, we are going to wait for 3 seconds between one SOS and other, and repeat forever this word. Now we can upload to Arduino. And that's all.